If list index exists, do X. In my program, user inputs number n, and then inputs n number of strings, which get stored in a list. I need to code such that if a certain list index exists, then run a function. This is made more complicated by the fact that I have nested if statements about len_my_list. Here's a simplified version of what I have now, which isn't working.
Could it be more useful for you to use the length of the list len_n to inform your decision rather than checking ni for each possible length?
I need to code such that if a certain list index exists, then run a function. This is the perfect use for a try block. However, by definition, all items in a Python list between 0 and len_list-1 exist, i.e., there is no need for a try block if you know 0 is lower than or equal to index is lower than len_list. You can use enumerate if you want the indexes between 0 and the last element. If you are looking for some defined index though, I think you are asking the wrong question. Perhaps you should consider using a mapping container, such as a dict, versus a sequence container, such as a list. You could rewrite your code like this. Runs like this. You can also use get method rather than try/except for a shorter version.
It can be done simply using the following code.
len_nam should be equal to n in your code. All indexes 0 is lower than or equal to I is lower than n exist.